Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Pete here with us this morning, and Pete's been here with us all week this week. They come all the way down here from the Flint, Michigan area, and I've been treating him twice a day, and this will be the 4th day, so this is his 7th treatment this week. This is the most intense treatment you've probably ever had, huh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me first, Pete. Yep. Your head's a lot more centered up now than it was when you first came. And your pelvis is more centered up too. You've got equal spacing now between your arms and your pelvis. Okay, let's come over here. Pete's gonna get to experience our new big, thicker pins, stronger pins this morning.
Yeah.
Slide you down this way a little bit, please, sir. A little bit more. That one hole for some reason. There we go. That feels softer already, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's comfortable.
They went to eat at our favorite steak restaurant here in Houston last night, Taste of Texas. There we go. Okay, nice and easy. There we go. Should have felt that all the way down. Did that feel a little more comfortable?
It did, yeah.
Good.
Yep. Felt
There we go.
pretty comfortable.
Okay, I got you. Perfect. Let me have your head tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go. Good. Okay, let's have you come over here on your tummy now, Pete.
Okay.
Change this paper. Legs are even, that's a good start to the morning. Stay even, that's even better. Now you might say, why am I adjusting his pelvis if his feet are even? Because I still want to adjust them and move the joint to create that neurological proprioceptive input into the nervous system, which recalibrates the body's biomechanics and biophysics. And we're still putting the lumbar lordosis in there. Oh yeah. Yep. Good job. Crack Agg's gonna love you too. Okay.
Stay there.
Yep, just stay right there and don't go anywhere. Yep. Let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Okay, let's slide down this way a little bit, please. And put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. Yep. Relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have your legs. Leg, I should say. There you go. Felt that one all the way up, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
There we go. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way. Now I pulled your shoe off last 2 days, huh? Ooh, that shoulder's still tight though. There we go. I recommend swimming for you for that shoulder. Get the shoulder range of motion back and keep that moving, because if you don't, you'll get frozen shoulder in the future. Because it's getting where it's starting to
Arthritis.
decrease. That's involved in frozen shoulder. Osteoarthritis or degenerative joint disease. Movement's the key to life. Okay, let's stand up here and face the mirror. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again, please, Pete. Well, that's about double what you came in here with on Monday, range of motion wise. Still lets his head jet forward though, you see that? So bring it back and then look at the wall behind you. You'll feel a little tap right there. There. Okay. Now, let's have you try that same thing again, see if this feels any smoother to you.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yep, better. Looking good. It's on swivel. You're right down the middle too. Good. So, there's a lot of people watching these from all over the world and want to know, why would someone from Michigan come all the way to Houston for treatment? Has this week been worth the trip to you?
It sure has. I can breathe better. I used to be out of breath all the time because of my hiatal hernia.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's just that my endurance is better. We went for a walk on the beach and went to the zoo the other day, and it really helped me with my endurance. I just wasn't out of breath, and I couldn't believe it.
Great. And has your acid reflux calmed down this week as well?
Yes, it has. I've got a whole lot less gas, and it's just completely calmed down.
Good.
So really,
and you had a big steak dinner last night, and it didn't even bother you, right?
It didn't bother me.
Great. Well, thank you for sharing that with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.